Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm Dr. Sayyida Mahnaz Hassan, working as Professor of Social Work in Department of Social Work, University of the Punjab. I joined this university since 2001 as a lecturer on a permanent seat, and then I did my MPhil from Department of from Institute of Social and Cultural Studies, and then I did my PhD from University Sains Malaysia, Penang. And I was declared graduate on time, GOT, from that university, and that is the public sector university and apex university of the world. And I also got distinction in masters in University of the Punjab. And I have written more than 45 international and national research publications, and I am working with international organizations as well, international universities as well. Most important is that I am working as a country expert with Bremen University, Germany, and as a research advisor with the University Sains Malaysia, Penang. I have been working as research consultant with STPI, with PERI, with UNDP and Sundas Foundation, Akhuwat, and many other civil society organizations. And the major emphasis of my PhD research work is on social risk management, informal sector of economy of Pakistan, social development, social work research, gender and development, and other allied fields. As Professor of Social Work and as Chairperson of Department of Social Work, I would also like to introduce my department as well. Social Work Department was established in 1954, and what was the historical background for the establishment of this department, which is very important because it set the ideology of the department. When after partition there were a lot of problems prevalent in Pakistan regarding poverty and the problems of the new migrated people here, and the settlement issues of the population and unemployment, illiteracy. And when the Pakistan came into existence, a lot of socio-economic political issues were existing here. So the government of Pakistan requested to the UNO to establish a social work profession here, but the trained social workers, the professional social workers were not available in the country. So the government of Pakistan requested UNO in 1953, and the first time in 1953 some foreigners came to Pakistan to introduce a social work profession and the social work discipline in our country to address and to tackle these socio-economic and cultural and political issues which were existing at the time in our country. Then in 1954, first time in Punjab University, which is the oldest educational institution of Pakistan and which was even existing before partition, and a diploma course was initiated here in Pakistan, in Punjab University 1954, first time, and in Pakistan as well. Then this diploma course was upgraded into the degree of master's degree in social work in 1956. And then obviously the department was developing day by day, and with the passage of time, nowadays we are running several programs in the domain of social work. Like we are running the BS social work program in morning classes and as well as in replica classes. We do have the MSc social work as well in morning and replica classes. Then we have also MPhil and PhD programs, and we have started again after the break of 2 years the MPhil and PhD program this year. And we have also many other new programs in pipeline as well, like social work entrepreneurship is a new program which has been approved by the Board of Studies and the other bodies, and we will start this program again, a BS program in our department soon, inshallah. And many other programs are also ready to be implemented in our department, like the Masters in Community Development or the MPhil in social development the department will offer very soon, inshallah. So these are the good news for the students. Now another dimension that why the social work is important, and why the need of establishing more departments and more programs in Department of Social Work and more departments of social work in our country. The reason is this, that in present era, particularly when our country is going through a transitional phase of change, and which is creating the new problems for the country as well, particularly in COVID-19, we can't deny the importance and significance of social work profession in our society. And as the government has focused, the government of Pakistan, the Prime Minister Mr. Imran Khan has focused primarily on the welfare of the people, and has established a lot of like shelter homes and the food programs, and particularly the cash transfers, as well as the ration ration distribution programs for the poor population of the country. And they also prepare the Tiger Force like that. So many of our students join these programs and volunteer themselves to run these programs during COVID-19, and they reached at the doorsteps of the people as the social workers, because this is the fundamental training of the social work profession. To help the people. The major two things which are very important and the basic message of social work profession discipline, that is the altruism and the empathy. Altruism is to think beyond yourself, is to think for other people, and to think in a selfless manner, to think beyond your own self-interests. So this, when these cultural values are inculcated among the society, then this is a real development of the society. And the empathy is that you can feel the pain of other people by placing yourself at the position of the other people, at the position of the suffering humanity. So social work students and the social workers, which is a practice oriented subject instead of a theory oriented subject, and this is the major difference between the social work and the other social sciences, that the social workers are the real practitioners and they provide the social welfare services on a practical basis. And that is how our body of discipline, our body of knowledge and scheme of study do differ with the other social sciences, that our students are sent into the field to practice the theory oriented knowledge which they gain in the classroom setting in the field, and they are engaged in social work field education at different medical social services projects, at different urban community development centers that do work with different ministries like Ministry of Social Welfare, Ministry of Population Welfare, Ministry of Human Rights, Ministry of Women Development, and they do their internships, they do their field work, as well as they are appointed as officers and they get job directly in 17 grades in different government ministries. So the scope of social work is very high globally as well as in Pakistan. But there was a time when it was considered that this discipline is more Western oriented and the pattern should be the European model of social work. No. I think this is what I do claim, being the professor of social work, that social work is very much needed in developing countries like ours, in Pakistan, in other developing countries as well, because it was considered that the social work is only needed for the deserving people, but now with the passage of time there is a lot of change in the society, and the many people who can afford or also need in the services of social work. That is why the Department of Social Work is now shaping up and is designing its program on new lines. Like we are going to start the carer services center in our country, community service center in our department, because many times I receive the call from the hospital, which is maybe a posh hospital, and there is a patient who doesn't have any attendant. So they request for a very professional social worker to give welfare services to that rich man who doesn't have attendant. So we can in this way we can also offer employability to that student, because in Punjab University normally students come from far-flung areas and belong to poor strata of the society. Similarly, once I received a call of one of the professor whose mother was above 80 years, and she said that she is in need of attendant for her mother. So we recommended a female student to spend some hours with that old lady, maybe to give medicine to her or to provide the personal care to that old lady. So that is how that female student was able to earn something. Simultaneously, we are also working, as I have already mentioned, that department is going to start a new social work entrepreneurship program in our department. That is about that the students, and this is also the vision of our worthy Vice Chancellor as well, that the students who belong to the far-flung areas, they are familiar with the problems of their areas, and they are fully equipped and trained in our department to address these issues. And after the need assessment of their communities, they can make the research projects on these social problems, and then they are trained, and they must be trained through these programs from the platform of social work department to convert these problems into the business ventures. So that is how the social work entrepreneurship will work for our students in a recent future, inshallah. And my message, being the chairperson of the social work department, for my students, for the society, is this: that social work discipline is so important, that the subject matter of the Holy Quran is the human being. All the way of address of Almighty Allah is Ya ayyuhallazina amanu ayman walo amuminu, is all about the human beings, is all about the humanity, and this is the subject matter of social work. Our subject matter is the society. So we are working for the welfare of the society. We are working for the suffering humanity, the less privileged segments of the society, and we raise voice for the unvoiced people who can't raise voices for them. And in Pakistan, where there is a high risk of unemployment, and illiteracy is the intergenerational problem of our society. So we need a lot for the social workers, for the professionally trained and skilled social workers in our society, to establish the welfare institutions, to work with the marginalized segments of the society, and to bring awareness among our illiterate population of the society, of the country. And we need to train our youth for selfless activities for the humanity, and particularly I focus and I emphasize on the volunteerism, that like in every welfare state, students spend some time for the welfare of the humanity as a part of their syllabi, as a part of their degree, and our youth should be trained for volunteerism as well. And volunteerism is the fundamental objective of social work as well. So love for humanity is the major message for all the human beings from the platform of social work.